Welcome to the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. The SRT is powered by a 6.4 V8 Hemi, made into a 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks and mirrors, carbon fiber carried throughout the SRT, automatic headlights and fog lights, your SRT steering wheel, flat bottom, perforated leather paddle shifters on the backside, 53,539 kilometers on the odometer, push button ignition, nice large Jeep touchscreen. There is controls for your heated and ventilated seating, heated steering wheel, backup camera, vehicle has navigation, your climate control, of course audio control, and phone connectivity, dual zone climate, rear parking sensors, eco mode for these trying gas fuel times, automatic shifter knob there. Of course, you have your launch button for that SRT, track sport, auto, snow, tow, SRT, and custom settings for the vehicle. We have the all black interior with the carbon fiber carried throughout, and the beautiful black leather and suede SRT seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the SRT Grand Cherokee, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, the Pirelli Scorpion, all season tires on there, 295 on the back, super wide, aggressive tires, color matched door handles, vehicle has keyless entry, blacked out mirror caps coming to the front, as well as 295s on the front, square all around tire size. Front of the vehicle does have 3M wrap protectant, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, parking sensors, vented hood for that big 6.4 liter V8. Making our way down the side, rear tinted privacy windows and blacked out window trim. At the rear, the vehicle has LED brake lights, dual oval tipped exhaust system, as well as rear parking sensors, backup camera. You do have remote start as well available for the SRT Grand Cherokee. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we do have the beautiful laid leather and suede combination seats, 60-40 split, both seats fold down nice and quick and flat, giving us access to the nice large trunk of the Grand Cherokee. Performance vehicle with utility still in mind. You do have the suede wrapped headliner as well, massive dual panel sunroof. You have your rear heated seat controls, USB ports, and an outlet, and the OEM Jeep WeatherTech liners for the floor. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.